Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I've got an awesome laptop to show you all. A lot of people were asking me to make a video on a good laptop in the price range of around 70 to 80,000 rupees. You know, that's good for both gaming as well as creativity works like Photoshop and video editing. So in this video, I'll be showing you Asus's brand new TUF Gaming FX505. Now this laptop packs some really good specs for the price guys. Like it's got a nano edge display and offers an insanely high refresh rate of 144Hz with IPS level 100% sRGB color gamut. And it's powered by Intel's i7-8750H 6-core 12-thread CPU and comes with either NVIDIA's 1050 Ti or 1060 depending on the variant you choose. So I've been using this laptop since the past few weeks, and in this video I'll unbox and share my experience with it. So let's get started with the video. So the Asus TUF Gaming FX505 comes in this sort of box packing. The special thing about the TUF series laptop is they're very rugged and built to withstand even extreme conditions. This laptop has an aggressively designed body that is exceptionally tough. It's shockproof, can withstand extreme temperatures, humidity, high altitudes, and even solar radiation exposure. That is what makes this product special. The model we'll be reviewing today is FX505G. This is the i7 variant with GTX 1060 graphic card. So at the back side we've got all of its specs. Let's check them out. This is the gunmetal grey color model, has a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display with 144Hz refresh rate, powered by Intel's i7-8750H CPU, NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1060, has 16GB DDR4 RAM, comes with 256GB PCI SSD plus 1TB Firecracker hard disk, and runs on a 3-cell 48Wh battery. So those were the specs of this laptop. And also one more thing guys, it offers 7.1 channel DTS Headphone X surround sound experience. Well, those were pretty much all of its specs. There's nothing much written on the box, so let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review. So here it is. On opening the box, we've got the FX505 at the top. Let me just take it out. Wow, just look at the design. It looks super tough and rugged. We'll come back to the product in a moment. First, let me also show you the other stuff we get in the box. You get some paperwork which includes a user manual and a quick start guide. Just make sure to read them. And along with that, you also get a power adapter for charging the laptop and a mains cord for the adapter. So those are all the items you got in the package. Now let's check out the laptop. So this is how the Asus TUF Gaming FX505 looks like. It comes in two colors. I've got this beautiful gunmetal grey color model. The top panel is made of aluminum and has this distinctive radiating X-like design that gives it a premium feel to the laptop. Also, the finishing on it is very good. It's got this sandblasted aluminum brushed finish on the top panel and has the Asus logo at the center which glows in gold and yellow when you power it on. Now since this is a rugged laptop with a solid build quality, it's a bit thick and bulky and weighs around 2.2 kgs. Asus has also worked a lot on the cooling side to keep the heat minimum. It's got this new hypercool technology with dual fans, which we'll talk later in the video. Now let me give you an overview on all the sides and talk about the different connectivity ports present on it. So first let's see what else do we have on the right side. So over here we've got the right speaker grill. I love these subtle red accents all over the laptop. We've got an exhaust here and a Kensington lock. Going to the left, we've got a DC in port, a LAN port, a HDMI out, a USB 2.0 port, two USB 3.1 ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, and finally the left speaker grill. So unfortunately, there's no USB Type-C or Thunderbolt port on it. Okay, so now let me show you the available status LED indicators. They're placed near the top portion near the hinge. So we've got a total of 4 status indicators. This is for airplane mode, HDD, battery charging, and the power LED indicator. And this is how the bottom side looks like. The bottom part is made of high quality plastic and has a lot of vents to let the heat escape. We've also got some details about the product here and few rubber foot pads on all the corners. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just open the laptop and show you how the inside looks like. So here is our TUF Gaming FX505 laptop. So as I've told you at the beginning, it's got a 3-sided nano edge Full HD display and the bezels on it are super thin on the sides and the top. They're only 6.5mm thick to offer a great experience while gaming. But the bottom bezel looks a bit thick and has the Asus logo in metal. Now talking about the display, it's got a 15.6-inch LED backlit Full HD anti-glare display with a refresh rate of 144Hz. There's also a 720p HD webcam at the top and some sensors beside that. So that was about the upper display section. Going down, we've got the keyboard and the trackpad. Let me give you a closer look and talk about them in detail. So this is how beautiful the keyboard on the FX505 looks like. It's got a special desktop-inspired RGB illuminated chiclet keyboard with Hyperstrike technology. The RGB lighting on it is completely customizable with the TUF Aura Core software. Talking about the comfort, it's got an ergonomic design and the keyboard feels very comfortable while typing. The FX505 has extremely durable keys with a lifespan of 20 million clicks and has a key travel of 1.8 mm. Talking about the keys, the quality of the keys is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. Also, I really like the way they highlighted the WASD keys by making them transparent. Now coming to the touchpad, the quality of the touchpad is nice. It works well and accurately detects gestures. I didn't face any dead zones anywhere. And the quality of the left and right click buttons was also good. So that was about the keyboard and the trackpad. Now let's talk about the display quality. Let me just play a video and show you how the display on this laptop looks like. With Sony IMX486 sensor and the other is a secondary 5 megapixel camera. The camera on it, I have to say the display on the FX505 looks absolutely stunning. This laptop has a 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit IPS level panel with an insane 144Hz refresh rate. I love this nano edge display. The bezels on it are very thin and offer an immersive experience while watching. The display looks bright, sharp, and the colors are also rich and vibrant. Since it's an IPS panel with 100% sRGB color gamut, there is nothing you can complain about. I was really happy with the display. Now this laptop comes in two variants, one with the standard 60Hz display and the other with a 144Hz refresh rate, depending on the price and the variant. I have the second one. And in the same clip itself, you can also check out the audio quality. Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD.
Good morning guys!
Hey Sheetal.
Hey!
So guys, today's video is going to be something special because it's the last day of our year guys, 2018, and I don't want to... The FX505 has built-in 2-watt stereo speakers and the audio quality was pretty good. It was crisp and clear with very minimum distortion and the audio output was also satisfactory. Talking about the viewing angles were great. The picture looked the same no matter from where you view them. And since it was an anti-glare display, the reflections were also very minimum. Now let's jump into the performance section. The FX505GM is powered by Intel's i7-8750H clocked at 3.9 GHz, has GTX 1060 and 16 GB of RAM. On Geekbench 4, it got a single core score of 2886 and a multi-core score of 12753. This laptop is great for 1080p gaming as well as good for photo and video editing. On OpenCL, it got a score of around 52,295. The GTX 1060 has a VRAM of 6GB and is good for 1080p gaming. We'll also be checking out the gaming performance in a moment. Okay, so let's see how this laptop handles AAA title graphic intensive games. Let's first start with Battlefield 5. Now I'll be playing all these games with my Xbox joystick, and before I begin, let me show you the graphic settings. We'll be playing all the games in 1080p resolution at ultra graphic settings. So let's see how it performs. The gameplay experience was buttery smooth at max graphic settings. I was easily getting an average frame rate of around 50 to 55 FPS on Battlefield 5. Just check out this video clip. This laptop offers very good gaming experience at 1080p. You will definitely be satisfied with the performance. The only thing I felt about this laptop was, even though the company provided a 144Hz refresh rate display, I was not able to play AAA title games at max graphic settings beyond 60 FPS in 1080p. To experience that ultra smooth gameplay at high frame rates, you either have to lower down the resolution or reduce the graphic settings. Then you'll be able to hit up 100 FPS and experience that buttery smooth gameplay. Not only Battlefield 5, I've also played Just Cause 4. Even this is a graphic intensive game, so let's see how it performs.
The road is walled off.
Can you get over it?
The game was playing very well. I was getting an average frame rate of around 50 to 55 FPS. Just check out the gameplay.
Believes him.
Project Iapa won't be a problem after today, Mira.
Well, they Black Hand.
To get the best gaming experience, I would definitely suggest you guys to get the i7 plus GTX 1060 6GB variant.
Copy, enemy contact. A unit is on its way.
Now let's talk about the battery life. The FX505 has a 3-cell 48Wh battery and the battery life was not that good, just like any other gaming laptop. If you play games on it in high performance mode with the screen brightness set to 70%, you will get only around 25 to 30 minutes of battery life. But other than gaming, if you use it for day-to-day tasks like browsing the web, watching videos on YouTube with the screen brightness set to 50 or 60%, then you'll easily get around 4 to 5 hours of battery life. So that was my review on the Asus TUF Gaming FX505 laptop. It's an awesome gaming laptop for the price. The build quality is top notch, it has a rugged body, the 144Hz display looks stunning, and the gaming performance was also very good. The only thing I was not that satisfied was with the battery life. It could have been better. Rest everything else was fine. The pricing of this laptop starts from 79,990 rupees and goes up depending on the configuration. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. I hope you all liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.